Precision English for access control, least privilege explained. Welcome! Today we're sharpening how you write access control policies. Our goal is simple. Use precise, testable English that engineers, auditors, and reviewers read the same way. We'll explain least privilege in plain terms. Use consistent, unambiguous phrasing, and favor measurable language you can verify in code or logs. We'll also spot and replace vague words that cause endless review comments. By the end, you'll write policies that are clear, narrow, and easy to validate, saving time, reducing risk, and making approval smoother for everyone. Least privilege means granting only the minimum permissions needed to perform a task, nothing more. Limit access by role, who, resource, what, and time, when. Start with default deny, then explicitly allow the smallest scope that enables the job. For example, analyst may read monthly_sales view during business hours. Schedule regular reviews to remove permissions that are unused, temporary, or no longer justified. When in doubt, shrink the scope first, then expand carefully with evidence. Choose verbs that are clear and enforceable. Use may, must, must not, can only. Avoid soft verbs like should, might, generally, which invite debate. Always tie verbs to actors and resources. Billing service may write invoices table. Aim for one permission per sentence to prevent hidden loopholes. Example: user may read report A. Separate sentence: user may not export report A. Strong verbs make policies easier to test and harder to misinterpret. Use a reliable template. Actor plus action plus resource plus condition. Example: Service A may read Table X. Add scope to tighten access, fields, rows, or operations, such as Service A may read columns ID, total in Table X. Add context to control risk. When, 9 to 5 UTC, where, corporate network, and why, incident response. Each element cuts ambiguity and helps reviewers verify intent, logs confirm behavior, and tests validate enforcement. Scope by data, columns, records, or tags. Example: user may read tag, public documents only. Scope by time. Engineer may assume role during deploy window 2000 to 2200 coordinated universal time. Scope by environment. Test runner may write to dev, not prod. Add conditions like approvals or audits. On-call SRE may access prod logs after ticket approval with automatic audit trail. These constraints reduce blast radius while keeping work unblocked. Lead with explicit denies to set guardrails. Contractors must not access customer PII. Then list narrow exceptions. Exception DPO may access PII for legal request tickets only. Define the escalation path and expiry. Who approves, how to request, and when access auto-revokes, e.g., 24 hours. Always record the rationale, incident number, customer request or compliance need. Clear denies plus well-scoped exceptions prevent policy drift and simplify audits. Write policies that tools can verify. Prefer measurable rules and IDs, table names, role IDs, tag keys, time windows. Map each rule to a policy check or unit test. If the sentence says, may read columns A, B, a test asserts columns C, D fail. Provide examples and non-examples to anchor intent. Cite owners and review frequency so permissions don't linger. Testable language makes enforcement predictable and audit evidence easy to produce. Use this quick check before sending for review. 1. Is it least privilege and explicit? 2. Does each sentence test cleanly with a pass/fail outcome? 3. Are verbs consistent and strong? May, must, must not, can only? 4. Are scopes, conditions, and owners crystal clear? Who, what, where, when, and why? If any answer is shaky, tighten wording, or split permissions. Precise language now prevents confusion, outages, and audit pain later.